Okay, so I want to address this dongle thing that has come up. I heard back from Senzer. I'm going to plug this in. I want to show you guys something. This is a Senzer dongle. I'll plug this in. Bring me down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So speakers SG600. That's what I'm going to pick. I'm going to turn these on right here, pushing the power button. Okay, it says power. Now I want you to hear this first button right here by this charging port. This first button right here by this charging port. I'm going to press it twice quickly.
Bluetooth mode.
It puts it to Bluetooth mode. And I'm going to press it twice again quickly.
Adapter mode.
And,
Connection.
and that's adapter mode. So now I can hear, go to YouTube. All right, let's see. Go here.
Why is everyone spiraling over YouTube banning ad blockers? Like,
it works and it sounds good. It works. It sounds good. It sounds better than the Bluetooth connection. This is just, I'll even show you. Okay, play it. Take this microphone out. Do audio input capture, and I'll make that this. Okay, I'll mute this one here. And now, audio input capture. This is the mic of the SG600. So I wanted to show you guys, the dongle does work. This is what it sounds like. Senzer got back to me. You have to push it twice quickly to change modes. That's it. So hopefully this helps you guys. They sound so much better this way. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later.